It's our 2017 Super Bowl predictor. You'll see a Falcons football hooked up to an air compressor, and then a Patriots football. We'll start the air compressors at the same time. The first one that blows up is the one that we think, in our predicting, will win the Super Bowl on Sunday. All right, Mancus or Matt, y'all ready?
All right, they have been started. They start here. So far, no movement. You can see the air, though, coursing through the cords, through the pipes.
At least they're on.
Yeah,
They are on.
So
We have
far.
not blown a fuse yet, so
Right.
we're both good. Both compressors are working as well.
Oh my gosh, you can hear an echo in here.
Gosh, parents, look out, please. Oh my
Get the intern
gosh.
out of the way.
Well, we know which football has blown up. It was the Patriots. We're going to stick around. We're going to stick around. We want to see this Falcons one blow up.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
I could hear that inside the studio through brick walls go through me, and he's out there on the mic.
Yeah, I still feel like a gunshot went off.
Yeah,
or
that
something.
sounded like a gunshot.